Hi Flavia, it's lovely to see you here at Embedded World 2023. You're part of the OxidOS team. Tell us what's so special about this real-time operating system and why it's different from others.
Hi Stuart, it's very nice to meet you in person. I've been following you on Twitter for quite some time, so it's nice to see you in person. What's so special about OxidOS is the fact that we're this kind of environment for software development for automotive ECUs. And what's special about us is that we took the problems that are right now in this automotive industry, which are problems with the safety and the very lengthy delivery delays, longer development cycles, and the difficulties in changing machine components. And we're building this ecosystem, a Rust-based secure operating system, and development tools for medium-sized microcontrollers in automotive ECUs.
So OxidOS is a real-time operating system using Rust, which is a bit different, isn't it? Because normally most people develop in C, C++ in the automotive industry.
Exactly. So the problem with the current technologies that are being used right now in the automotive industry is that the technologies are outdated, and there are many additional tools that are being used to enforce a high level of security, further complicating the whole scenario. So we're taking Rust to build this operating system and development tools for a faster time to market, lower development costs, time reduction regarding development and certification, and of course a lot of security issues that are being gone.
Now, of course, Rust is a new language, relatively new language on the scene, and not every microcontroller manufacturer supports it with a compiler. So which microcontrollers are currently supported, and do you have an Oxid port for?
Well, right now we're working with some leading industry partners, some proof of concepts. We kind of are flexible in this area, so we can support any kind of microcontroller that wants to work with us on this. And we also have a demonstrator at the ST microelectronics stand. So that's one kind of board that we support and ECUs.
Now your operating system solution is not just a code base which you can download and use, you actually have a complete ecosystem for development. Take us through the development process that you have.
Yeah, so it's an entire ecosystem, so it's an operating system and also development tools. To take you a bit through the development journey, we have this, can I show the box?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have this demonstrator here, how to build an ECU in under 60 minutes. So to better demonstrate it, you take the board out of this, you connect it to your laptop, and then you log in onto our platform. You create a new project. You select the kind of board that you have here, the kind of ECU and the drivers, and then you're gonna start the project, and a VS Code instance will be launched, and you can start programming your ECU right away, so under 60 minutes.
Now you're here at the startup area of Embedded World, which is here to sort of promote young organizations that are making their first steps into this embedded community. Tell us a little bit more about the team behind OxidOS.
Oh, our team it's wonderful actually. We're a strong multidisciplinary team with many years of experience in software engineering, automotive engineering. We have 4 PhDs, I think, or 5. I lost the count. We're 12 people right now in the startup, and we're growing, and we hope that we're going to continue growing. Yeah, it's been a lovely journey. Our team is excited to be here. We've been here at the Embedded World with other projects that we have, but OxidOS was born 2 years ago, and we're hoping to be at Embedded World again and again with it.
Now, Rust is a very popular, interesting, exciting language. It's probably the newest thing we've had as a programming language for microcontrollers. How can people get started with OxidOS? What's the best way to get in touch with you, and what can they do to get started?
So I think an important part to mention here is that our co-founders are actually part of the Rust Foundation. So our CEO, Alexandru Radovici, is one of the first people that contributed and started programming in Rust, and he is in love with Rust. You can find us at Eurorust, the Rust Foundation, and so on. But if you want to get started with OxidOS, just go to our website, oxidos.io, and you can write us there, and we're gonna get in touch with you because we're a B2B company. So right now we're working with larger companies to on proof of concepts for this kind of environment for automotive industry.
Well, thank you for that fantastic update about the project. I think it's absolutely fascinating, and I'm really excited to see how it develops. Flavia, it was lovely to see you.
Thank you so much. It's really nice to meet you in person and not just tweeting. Thank you for the lovely interview.